What makes this show so special, though, is how all these effects come together seamlessly to create a breathtaking, never-before-seen nighttime experience. I'm sure it will touch everyone's heart here tonight. What you will witness is our most ambitious attempt to create the perfect ending to the perfect day at Hong Kong Disneyland.
Despite the daunting challenges of COVID, Hong Kong Disneyland just keeps thinking bolder. And what can be bigger, more awe-inspiring than momentous? A multimedia storytelling spectacular. After 5 years in the dreaming and creating,